All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed as New York right now is opening and Bitcoin is getting a pump, baby. We are getting a massive blue candle like I've never seen before as we were heading up to the $63,000 level. Make sure to like the stream, because if we can get 1,000 likes during the first half hour, we will absolutely be giving away 1,000 USDT, baby. USD tethered to the dollar. We're all tethered to the dollar, as whether we like it or not. We're going to go ahead real quickly and pull a fib here. You can see that we're coming up to that very key area of retest, the $63,000 zone, which will determine whether we dump or whether we pump. If you were here last night and you were watching the live stream, you were taking a look at this on the higher term time frames as we were forming this, what appears to be, I guess, a rising wedge that we kind of broke out of, right, to the upside, and now we broke out to the downside. And so we're basically looking to see, is Bitcoin going to come back and get a bearish backtest, bearish backtest at this trend line right here, as we're currently forming an upside down head and shoulders pattern, right? Very interesting developments, all right? And we're looking to see, are we going to, let's take the measured move of this, let's turn off our dang magnet tool, all right? Sometimes magnets are good, but sometimes we don't like those magnets when they get too sticky, and we go ahead and just pull this trend line to the upside. You could see, are we going to just come back to backtest this area right around here before getting another rejection to the downside, or is this the actual bottom? We're going to be talking about it. And this short trade right here, shout out to the Casper crew, was one of the short trades we gave yesterday in the New York Open live stream, and let everybody know when I was taking the short, and I let everybody know when a logical take profit would be. And as you can see, Bitcoin right now is pumping like a wild lady. We are getting the break. We're getting the move up to $62,800 to $63,000. All right, now let's discuss what is happening, what has happened. A major shout out to everybody in the chat right now. All right, make sure to like the dang stream. Make sure to like the stream. Shout out to Emunessa, who says, the mudda of all dumps is coming, son. Word to ya mudda. Things are getting kind of muddy. Shout out to Bullish on Parade. Shout out to Crypto Pump It. Shout out to ZikDot. How's that short since posting on Jordan Cameron's live? This is the short I was talking about. This is the short I was talking about on Jordan Cameron's live. Still open, the short that we gave in the Casper crew, baby. All right. So yeah, short still open, locked in a nice little profit here. And now we're going to wait and see what happens, okay? Now, let's discuss what has happened here. The Bitcoin price, as we know, came up to the $66,000 level, which was a key high volume node. It was basically a naked point of control. If we take all this stuff here, that's not the best volume pool. Let's see if we can get it to look better. Nope, can't get it to look better, but that's okay. It was a naked daily point of control at $66,300 up here. Price got a bit of a rejection, right? One of the trade setups we gave in the Casper crew, and I still have that short trade open because I don't close my short trades. People are like, Jason, why don't you close the trade? I never close my short trades, guys. I never do. After I hit a take profit one, I just keep the short trade open, all right? Then we come back over here. We get the rejection. We come down to none other than the POC of the range, where we form a nice little bottom right here, and then we pump up to none other than the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement confluence with the value area high of the range. Now, why is this so important? Why is this so dang important? Well, first of all, the 618 Fibonacci, as we all know, is indeed my high school crush, 6 Juanita, the one who broke my heart and rejected me. So we know as we come up to the level, well, we could expect a bit of a rejection, because obviously we're too much of a loser to ever have a girlfriend ever. We're just so nerdy and awkward. Can't even make eye contact with girls, right? We try to talk to them, and we're like, we can't even say hi. We're like, hey, 6 Juanita. All right, then she thinks we're such losers, so she rejects us. Now, the other reason this is important, guys, is because when we go to our 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Well, we see the real potential for this right here being a hidden bearish divergence on market Cipher B, where as the price is making a lower high, the momentum wave is making a higher high, and the money flow on market Cipher B is getting lower. Oh my goodness, so scary! But when you're scared and you're trading, take the nose clip, Place it on the nose. Deep breaths with the plunger. Whew. This will keep you from hyperventilating, all right? You never want to be out of your sound mind when you're trading. This is rule number 1 for trading. You always have to be in your sound mind. Now, a little bit scary with the hidden bearish div there. Now, the other reason why this is such an important level, guys, is because now when we go to the daily time frame, we zoom out a little bit. The level that we're currently interacting with right now, as many of us are aware, and if you're not aware, well, I would not want you to be unaware, that this white line right here on the chart, $63,150, the high volume node of the last half year of price action, this is the mother of all levels right now. The mudda of all levels right now. Why is this the mudda, 63,150? Because this right here, if we cannot reclaim, is very, very bearish. We need to reclaim this level. And as we are below the level, and as we are seeing the daily momentum tick to the downside, and as we are seeing 4-hour bearish divergences, it's not a comfortable position to be in. It's very uncomfortable. It's like when you wake up and your arm is all twisted somehow and you can't feel your arm. You can't move it and it fell asleep, so you gotta lift it up manually and you don't know if your shoulder's dislocated or not. You gotta plop the arm down, and then the pins and needles start to come and you can't move your arm. That's the position we're in right now. All right, we need to either wait until the blood flow comes back into our arm and we come above 63,150 and say, you know what, woof, now the majority of the volume is below us, and so we can expect higher prices. But if we can't do that, guys, the majority of the volume is above us, and yesterday's candle does not look very bullish. So we were hoping for a close yesterday above 63,150. Didn't happen. We were hoping for a weekly close above 63,150. Didn't happen. We were hoping for a daily close yesterday above 63,150. Didn't happen. All right. And now that New York is opened, you got the New Yorkers out there. They're drinking the cups of coffee. They're eating the bagels for breakfast and the Dunkin' Donuts. And they're coming to the charts, sitting down, cracking the knuckles. Let's come to the charts, fellas and ladies. Don't want to assume the genders of all my New Yorkers. And they're going to decide pump or dump. Now, there's a few interesting levels. Ooh, is my voice cracking? There's a few interesting levels we have here. First of all, early this morning, we did get something known as a chickens drinking water locally. If you guys remember last night, this low, I was saying, if I had to bet, I would bet the low is not in yet. And the reason I said that is because we didn't have bullish divergences on our 24-minute time frame. I said, based on our 24-minute time frame, looks like we're going to get a move to the upside and then make another low, and then potentially we could look for some divergences. Well, what happened last night? We got a little bit of a move to the upside, we came down, we made another low, and now we're starting to see the developments on market Cipher B. The developments right here. Look at this. A momentum wave and then a higher momentum wave. Kind of looks like, well, you know, a set of gluteus maximi that are uneven from squatting and deadlifting with improper form. Now, if we go ahead and we take this and we post it onto the chart overlay, this is the #1 trading indicator in the world, by the way. We can see it lines up pretty much perfectly. It's called a bullish divergence. At least that's what it's considered medically. If you read the New England Journal of Medicine, you'll know that uneven butt cheeks is also known as a bullish divergence. So we do have bullish divergences starting to form down here as we made this lower low. This is known as a liquidity grab, a chickens drinking water pattern, or some people call it a swing failure pattern. But those people, they don't know what they're talking about, right? It's really called a chickens drinking water pattern. And so now we are getting a move to the upside. We're forming this introverted head and shoulders pattern, right? You can consider this an introverted head and shoulders pattern. And what is an introverted head and shoulders pattern? It's basically this, right? You know, in high school, the introverts, right? They don't get invited to parties. They never have a girlfriend. No one pays attention to them because people think, oh, this is so bearish. Price just dumped. There's no way I'd ever long Bitcoin ever, right? They don't pay any attention to the introvert down here. Well, then while all the cool kids peak in high school, meanwhile, our introvert was working a hard job at McDonald's, putting all the money into Apple stock in 2009. Then he gets the breakout. Then all the girls now, they're in their 30s now, looking for a good man. Now they're paying attention to our introvert. They're like, whoa, baby, you're looking pretty cool. Maybe you'd want to hang out, right? After the breakout. of this introverted head and shoulders pattern. Now, here's the deal. We do need to be aware that this introverted head and shoulders pattern actually could be a bottom. Why could this be a bottom? It's because if we take a look at all this volume here, we bounced from the high volume node of this consolidation over the weekend. So there is an actual chance here that this high volume node, 62K, is the bottom, right? There's a real chance that this is the bottom and that this simply just breaks to the upside. However, there also is a chance here, guys, that this is going to lead to, I guess, a bearish back test, and then we come down more. Why do I say that? Because we have officially locally here put in our high, we put in our low, our lower high, our lower low, and so locally here we have changed market structure. We've taken out the last two higher lows in the uptrend, and so on these lower time frames we are switching now into bearish structure. And keep in mind, we're rejecting from key resistance. So, in my opinion, we do need to be aware of a potential rejection from here, right? Because here's the thing, those girls in high school, man, they think they can get any guy they want, all right? But after high school, not so much, right? Not so much. She thinks she has a chance with Jason Casper. Not so. Not so. No, I'm not interested. I'm not interested. You think you could break my heart in high school, Six Juanita? You think you can, but guess what? Times have changed, you know? I got options, man. Yeah, see that? And so we could get a rejection. And then what we need to be aware of is this, all right? If we do get the rejection from 63-ish thousand, we have these lows from the weekend. These lows from the weekend that are extremely not stable looking, all right? They're not stable. They're not stable. They're looking like this. Clearly not stable. We go ahead and take a trend line. Just put it right here, right? Over the weekend, we made a double bottom. This is begging to get taken out. All right, begging to get taken out. The liquidity grab is begging a stop hunt. Also, we take the fib from the low to the high, and we have the Fibonacci golden pocket 786 right under here. So, you know how New York loves to give us the old fake out 1-2 punch. You guys know how yesterday New York pumped us up to 64.4 and then dropped us back down, right? How yesterday, during the live stream, we were saying that if we cannot hold this level and if we lose this level, we're expecting to move down. Well, now we could say if New York gives us a pump and we come up to this area, we could expect another move to the downside just to sweep the liquidity from the weekend and come down into the area between the Fibonacci golden pocket and the 786, where we do have some nice confluences down here, Fibonacci and volume confluences. All right. So essentially right now, I am interested in getting a move up to around 63 to 63.4 or a move down to around 61.5-ish. And I think for me, as far as this little chunk of price action goes, the two areas I'm most interested in trading would be shorting around this area, longing around this area, right? We're just looking at the sideways range, asking ourselves where are the confluences, where would we like to take a trade from? And then those are the areas that we plan and prepare for, all right? Those are the areas that we plan and prepare for. Now, let's take a look at market Cipher on the 1 hour time frame. Notice something. Yes, we recognize this could have been a bottom here because we got a liquidity grab of that low with bullish divergences, but the 1 hour time frame is not giving us a bullish divergence yet, which means if we do, let's say, something like this, what would market Cipher be on the 1 hour time frame look like? What would 1 hour time frame on market Cipher be look like? It would probably look like this. All right, what do we know about when market Cipher B looks like that? What happened over here? Bam! All right. This would be, once again, the classic uneven butt cheek pattern forming on the 1 hour time frame. And so if we do come down to that key zone of support and we see the 1 hour time frame giving us that beautiful, then we could expect a bounce from there. All right, we could expect a little bit of a bounce from there. Now, looks like perhaps we are already getting a little bit of a move to the downside. Let's check out order flow. We'll go to the 15-minute chart to start out. Okay, so look at this. My goodness. Wow. So first of all, we got 12 million longs opening up here above the VWAP. And before we even broke out of this area, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 million longs opening up here as well. So what do we have? We got a CDW. We get a break above the VWAP, a retest of VWAP, and then after bouncing from VWAP, 12 million people decide to long Bitcoin here. All right, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Who has $12 million just sitting around on their desk? I definitely don't. The only thing I have sitting around on my desk is a bag of adult diapers. Depends. Because sometimes, and you guys know this, but you could be at the chart for days, sitting in your chair holding your pee, and price doesn't make a move. As soon as you get up to pee, price makes the move, right? You could be waiting for price to do this literally for like Monday through Thursday, sitting at the desk holding your pee, not eating, not drinking, not sleeping. As soon as you leave that screen to pee, price does this, and you come back, price is all the way up here. A big wick, you missed the move, you've been waiting all week, and now you just missed out on the move because you had to pee, all right? So yeah, I highly recommend the pens. Link in the description and the pinned comment if you want to get the pens. All right, I got my Depends affiliate link. All right, just kidding, I'm not affiliated with Depends, but maybe I should be. Now, we are looking to see, we're getting the break of the introverted head and shoulders pattern. Again, look, if you took this short trade from yesterday, the one that we gave in advance in the Casper crew, then I told everyone I'm shorting. Look, if you want to make money for certain, you can close the trade now. For me, I'm a little bit more fluid with my trades. Once I lock in a small profit, I just let the rest ride. That's my style, right? So if we start to reclaim this trend line here, then I might think about closing the short trade. But for right now, I'm going to keep it open because I'm looking for a potential rejection here. Right, so we're going to go ahead and pull our fib, high to low. Yeah, so we're looking for a potential backtest rejection of the trend lines. The trend lines, guys. It's all about trend. It's all about the trend, all right? Let's adjust the trend lines here to make sure that they are proper. You don't want to do it wrong when you're on trend because, well, it's already messing with your health quite a bit. You don't want to add fuel to the fire. Yeah, look at this. All right, let's see. Now, keep in mind, we've got ourselves 12 million longs, 12 million people who have guaranteed, not guaranteed, but 12 million people who have committed to the market as we reclaim the VWAP. All right, now I've got a take profit set here at 63K, and then I'm going to play it by ear. I guess a small take profit at 63K. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, now, the 1 hour time frame, as we were mentioning, if we get a rejection from 63K and come down, clearly we would have very bullish divergences. The reason why we might not get that is because the 24-minute has bullish divergences here. BitBoy butt cheeks. The 12-minute time frame has bullish divergences here. Very bullish BitBoy butt cheeks. The 6-minute time frame has printed us very, very nice bullish divergences here. So yeah, this really could be the bottom. But because we have missed the bottom, now we have to wait. Or you could take a trade now. You know, I don't recommend, but I mean, clearly, if you think we're going to pump for the day, then you say, okay, as long as we don't change market structure to bearish, as long as we don't take out the last low right here on the chart, then if we pump and we break out of the 618 and come up higher, potentially now you're risking 1 to make 4. Okay, if we take out yesterday's high to the 786 level, you'll risk 1 to make 4. It's not bad, but remember, New York likes to do the old 1-2, baby. You know how New York likes to open up. You know, here's the thing. In the morning, like yesterday morning, if you guys remember, as soon as New York opens up, you know, within the first few hours, we get that one move, but then we revoice it a few hours later. Here's why. Don't ever bother a New Yorker before they had the coffee, before the caffeine kicks in. Because they make decisions rashly in the morning. Right? They wake up early, they're tired, they got a headache, the kids are whining and fussing, they're fighting over some stupid toy, they're waking you up early in the morning, right? So you make a stupid decision, right? But then after you have the coffee, you have time to think about things, you make the real decision over here. And that's probably what happens usually on New York. Now, yesterday we said Monday was going to set the tone for the week. And I have to say, the tone for the week so far, if we're going to go with that theory, is that we failed to close above key support. So we have a chance to redeem ourselves today, guys. This could be. Sorry. This could be. If this actually is the bottom and we break out and we hold above 63,150 now, Tuesday could be the chance to redeem ourselves. Now let's see. Let's go back to the order flow. All right, little decrease of OI. We still got these longs open. As long as we're holding above VWAP right now, guys, that is pretty bullish. I'm gonna be honest with you. You know, as long if we can stay above VWAP, that is really nice because we have the money here in the market. We have, what do we say, about 6 million, 7 million plus 12 million. We have about 19 million longs who are supporting this price here at around 62.4. I have about almost 20 million longs who are actually supporting price here. There's real money here supporting this level. This ain't no short squeeze, baby. Right? Locally here, you know, in this zone, I'm not talking about this, because this was a big long squeeze, but now we've got real dollars coming in. So if we can hold above the VWAP, that's bullish. If we lose the VWAP, then there's a really good chance we liquidate 20 million longs and we actually do take that low and we actually do come down and we actually do come to the 618 and we actually do take the liquidity from the weekend and we actually do have an opportunity down there to do something, which is to enter into a potential long trade. All right. Now let's take a look here. 6-minute time frame. Technically speaking, guys, we got ourselves a bearish divergence. Technically speaking, price is making a higher high, momentum making a lower high. We got ourselves the dreaded upside down uneven butt cheek pattern on the 6-minute, unconfirmed, mind you. But we're looking here, we're extrapolating. We got ourselves the left cheek, the right cheek. Okay, and if we take the measuring tool from the red dot to this potential area, right now about an hour and 54 minutes of butt crack. About an hour and 54 minutes of crack on the chart, which is very significant. All right, some people trade fib time. I trade crack length. All right, trade crack time. People trade Fibonacci time. I trade butt crack time. All right, we got an hour and 54 minutes of crack in between these two momentum waves here. Almost 2 hours. All right, let's go down to our lower time frames. We'll go to the 3-minute. 3-minute also with some slight bear divs. Oof! Let's check out the 1-minute. 1-minute bear divs. Yeah, let's check out another order flow. All right, the order flow. Come on, longs. We need these longs here. And if they close out also, if these longs close out, let's say they just close out now without a move down. That's also not the best. But right now, let's zoom in here. Oof. So the unfortunate situation here, guys, is the majority of the longs that opened up in this candle literally long the top. All right, 1.4 million people all entered. Each individual put $1 on the trade. All right. People are like, Jason, why do you say 12 million longs? Because there's 12 million people, each trading with $1, and they each entered long with $1. It's that simple. So 1.4 million longed at 62,840, 3.9 million entered at 62.8, 2.8 at 62,780, 1.2 mil at 62,760. So all the longs that really opened up in this big candle are right here. Right here. So right now, they're literally at their entries. They're scared. They don't know what's going to happen. They longed the beginning of New York Open, not recognizing that the New Yorkers got to drink their coffee first before they make the real decision. And they're scared. It's a gamble right now, honestly, guys. It's a gamble. We're breaking out of Head and Shoulders. We're back testing the VWAP, but it happened before New York Open. As soon as New York opened, 12 million people decide to long. I hope it works out for them, honestly. I hope it does. I hope we can get a move up to 63,000. That's where I got my next take profit order here. All right. But we got to be aware. We got to be aware of coming up to the area and then getting a rejection. Okay, here we come. Here it happens. New York, the coffee's in the veins. The caffeine's flowing now. All right. The bagels are digesting. The carbohydrates are being broken down into glucose. The pancreas is releasing the insulin. All those carbs are going right to the biceps, baby. All right, here we go. We're getting a pump. All right, now we're at the gym. New York is at the gym. It's chest and arms day like it is every day. Never leg day. Never. All right, here we go. We're pumping up. All right. Oh, baby, we just hit a take profit. That's what I'm talking about. So now this trade, we made about $6,300 on it so far. All right. We locked in about $6,300 on the trade so far. And we're coming up to the zone where we got to really be watching out for a rejection. So we're going to come over to the short trade and recognize that, you know, obviously the bottom could be in here, but we're looking for a move up to this area for a potential rejection. All right. Remember what happened yesterday during New York. All right. The old 1-2 double cross. All right. The old 1-2 double cross, baby. Make sure to like the stream. We still, if everyone likes the stream right now, we can do a $1,000 giveaway. All right. And shout out to Black Swan. And shout out to a Google user. Shout out to Juan, who says pump song. Shout out to Desk Comp, who's laughing at who are you. Shout out to Jay Sean Pickett. Pump it, my guy. Black Swan says bear divs, question mark, question mark, question mark. What indicators show all that stuff? I am currently using XO charts. I also use Coinalyze. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, man. All right. Now, I know it looks crazy, but it's really not that crazy, to be honest with you. This is actually a lot of shorts getting stopped out here and a few longs opening. So this is primarily right now a short squeeze. But again, we have 20 million longs right now. There's real money behind this pump. There's real money behind the pump right now. All right, real money behind the pump. Let's check out Market Cipher. We're invalidating bear divs on the 1 minute as we're coming up to our very key area of resistance. All right, we're coming up to our key area of resistance, 63,133. So let's see what happens. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. New York's been open for half an hour. The caffeine's in the veins. All right. The caffeine's in the veins. It's chest and arm day. Why open a $1 trade making no gains? Asks Vitaly 905 Trades. I'm being a little bit facetious, man. You know, it's because when I look at XO charts and I see the number 12 million, I say there's 12 million longs that opened up here, and then people inevitably say, "Why do you say 12 million longs? Don't you mean $12 million?" And so my reply to them is, because it could be one trader opening up a $12 million position, right? So I say 12 million longs. It could really be just one long. But my reply is always, no, there's 12 million people each trading with $1. Which obviously is a joke, you know. But I understand not everyone would get that joke. Which is why I'm explaining the joke, all right? It's supposed to be funny. Jason, you funny guy. Oh, man. Look, guys, I'm a dad now. I got 3 kids, so the dad jokes just it's hard. It's tough. All right. All right, look at this, guys. This is the macro POC. This is the macro POC right here of the last 6 months of price action. We could go all the way back to February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October. This is where the most Bitcoin bought and sold exchange hands. Most people bought and sold Bitcoin at this exact price right here. And New York is giving us the old pumperoo. And we're coming up to the GP, the Golden Pocket, the 6 Juanita. And now she thinks, we're going to see what happens. Because look, again, in high school, she rejected us because we were nerdy. And she was dating the cool kids, the jocks, who have now all peaked and they're fat. And they're losers, right? But now Jason Casper, you know, he's a winner. He's a professional treadmill walker. A professional Pikachu hat wearer. And 6 Juanita, she really loves those Pokemon hats. Really get her giddy. But here's the thing. Now, 6 Juanita, I have options. So I might reject you. So we're going to see what happens as we come into the area. 6 Juanita wants to date us now. We've changed our position in life. I've gone from a high school loser to now a 30-year-old Pikachu hat wearer. All right, who also walks on the treadmill in adult diapers. Very appealing to women out there, guys. Tip, tip, hint, hint. All right, if you're not wearing a Pikachu hat and adult diapers, you have no chance of love. You know, all you incels out there, the secret is you're not wearing enough adult diapers. All right. Now, we'll see what happens as we come to this area. All right. Are we going to reject her? Or are we going to say, you know what? You know, 6 Juan, I've always loved you since high school, you know. I ain't going to lie, 6 Juanita. My love for you has never burned out. I like to pretend I don't care about you, 6 Juan, but The truth is, I have a 618 hole, shaped hole in my heart that only you can fill, baby. And then maybe we break out. Maybe then we see $70,000 Bitcoin. I mean, imagine what me and 618 could do together as a team. Bitcoin right now is 63K. But us together could push that price up to 70, 75, 80, $100,000 Bitcoin. And it could happen quick. And I'll tell you why it could happen quick. We go to the 2-week time frame here real quick. All right. And we do have a confirmed green dot in the 2 weekly. So these local bearish signals will be left in the dust if me and 618 end up going steady. Because this green dot confirmed could really give us a major push. We have not seen this, guys, since last October. Since last October. We have not seen it since last October. And now, also, we have another one this October. Right? What happened last October? Boom! What could happen this October? Well, we'll see. Either something like this, double top, and then a horrible, terrible bear market. Or maybe we actually do something like this. Break out, hit another high, you know, around the early next year, and then bear market. I'm hoping for the second one. I'm hoping we can break out, hold above, hit a new all-time high in like March, April 2025, and then we can sell everything. We can sell everything we have, move to a remote island in the middle of nowhere that's protected from all natural disasters, and just live off the land, growing yams, plantains, drinking coconut water, swimming in the oceans, eating fish, just having a good time with our family, getting all that sunshine, vitamin D, not worrying about Bitcoin, not worrying about the charts, not worrying about the rest of the whole world falling apart, you know? All right, so look at this, guys. So far, we don't even have the cojones, the testicular fortitude to ask 618 to out. Looks like we're shy. You know, we're too shy. It's been too long. It's been 15 years since high school. What if she doesn't remember us? What if she doesn't? Oh no! Bitcoin's dumping, baby! All right, let's see. Oh no! Okay, we're starting to get the dump. Looks like maybe New York had the old 1-2 reversal going on. Oh my goodness. New York. We came up to the 382. We hit a little take profit here. We got to be careful. We got to manage our risk properly. All right, let's go ahead and make sure we have a stop loss over here. All right, be careful. Be careful, everybody. All right, did we get an early back test? All right, make sure to smash the likes, guys. All right, we don't have time to do a $1,000 giveaway, but look, if we get 1,000 likes in the next 5 minutes, we'll give away $500. All right, I'm gonna set a timer here. All right, so look, this could be. We got to hold. Oh man, look at this increase of OI. Who's trading this? Shorts. People are shorting this. But it's a battle because we have 10 million volume on one candle, but it's about 50-50. We only have 700,000 more shorts than longs. So it is a battle. Now remember, we have 20 million longs protecting the price at around 62.4. All right, now we have some shorts opening here. So these shorts, all right, if they overwhelm the longs, which so far they're not even close. So far they're not even close. Right, but if price does push down and these longs are out of the game, then the shorts could really take over. All right, so again, we're at a key level of resistance. Why are we getting this move down? Guys, this is the most important level of the Bitcoin price for the past 6-7 months. 63,133. Look, people say technical analysis doesn't work. They say TA doesn't work, Jason. It's all about the news and the wars and the this and that. Well, look at that, man. Look, would you look at the I mean, look at the chart. Look at the All right, we're coming back down for a back test, baby. All right, look at this. We had our introverted head and shoulders pattern. All right, our high school nerd, introverted, didn't get invited to any parties, never had a girlfriend. Then after high school, all the jocks peaked, fat, beer bellies, have a crappy job. All right, our man, he invested everything he earned at McDonald's and Apple stock in 2009. He's shining now. Now's his time to shine. All right, he's in his 30s, time to shine. Girls are starting to pay attention. But here's the thing. When you are rich and successful, and you haven't had time to mentally prepare for that, sometimes you gotta do some introspection, right? You gotta check yourself. Who am I even? What am I doing here? You get the breakout, you get all the attention. You know, maybe you start going down a wrong path, start focusing on the wrong things in life. You gotta reorient yourself. You gotta come back down to earth and say, look, you know, what am I doing right now? I gotta get my life together. And after that retest and that reorientation, then you can come up. So that might be what's happening now as we're coming to this 63,133 level. You know, maybe we just come back for a retest of the introverted head and shoulders. Now, keep in mind, we do have bull divs on some of these low time frames here. This is a very nice looking bottom. All right, it's a nice looking bottom, a very nice looking bottom. Nice, big on the left, skinny on the right. So let's do a little bit more analysis here. Let's do a little bit more analysis as we're watching this price action play out. We are forming a bit of a local range down here. So we're going to go ahead and pull our fixed volume profile. And we're going to go ahead and pull our Fibonacci from the low to the high. Okay, so would you look at this, guys? I mean, there's really two potentials here. Potential number one is a simple back test of the trend line at the golden pocket and the value area high. Potential number two is come back down to the POC and the golden pocket. So what can we say about that? We can say, well, this is very important support right here. All right, if we want to see a relationship between Jason Casper and 6 Juanita, the green box must hold. All right, the green box must hold. If the green box doesn't hold, there's no chance. There's no chance. And we will remain as an incel forever. Right? So, at least until we come down to this area of support. Oh no! We're coming into the box! Alright, we're hitting that local 618. Let's pull the fib from the last low to the current high, and let's see what's happening. Okay, we haven't hit it yet. Alright, we haven't hit the 618 yet. Alright, let's see. We're going to go down to our lower time frames, the 5 minute. Coming to the 5 minute. Alright. We got bear divs on the 5 minute here, guys. We have a pretty bearish div on the 5 minute, not going to lie. 6 minute. Bear div printing right now. If this candle closes with that red dot, we are probably going to come down quite a bit here. This is not anything to joke around about, guys. This is the most serious thing I've ever seen. There's no need to be joking around right now, guys. Stay calm. Don't let your emotions get ahead of you. Because we are coming down to the 618, the Fibonacci golden pocket, the value area high, and if we can't hold it, then we come down to the POC at 62,400. So right now we're getting a little bounce. We're trying. Let's go to the 5 second time frame. We're getting a little bit of bullishness here on the 5 second. The 5 second looks nice. 5 second looks nice, baby. Look at this money flow coming up. Momentum waves coming up. All right. Whew. Calm down, Jason. Come on. You don't want them to put you back into the institution, do you? Here. Got to put the nose clip. Do our deep breathing plunger exercises to calm down. And meanwhile, the timer has got off. The timer's got off. So let's see if we have 1,000 likes to give away $500. All right. Let's check. Hang on. Let me see. Did we get 1,000 likes? No! We didn't get 1,000 likes! Oh my goodness, we got 2,000 people in the chat and we only have 700. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Well, okay, so the 5 second does look good, guys. The 5 second looks great. Let's see if we can't get 1,000 likes. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Maybe. All right. Whoa! Look at that. The 5 second time frame coming through, baby. See, I told you to stay calm. All we need to do is some deep breathing exercises with our... Ah! Oh, no! Oh, no! All right, let's check out order flow. How's she looking? All right, shorts are closing out now. Those shorts are closing out. We still have 20 million longs supporting price here. All right, so again, we're coming back to a retest. We still got the longs here. All right, let's see. We'll come back to our chart. We're getting a little bit of a rejection. All right, we're still holding support. We came up, we hit a take profit at $63,000. All right, we locked in a good $6,000 so far in this trade right here. We still got 2,500 open. We got our stop loss here. We got ourselves the short trade from the setup that we gave in advance yesterday. Let everyone know I'm taking the short. Let everyone know when a responsible take profit was. And so we're schlong, baby, and we're just looking to see what happens. But look, this so far, not looking the healthiest. We need a quick move to the upside. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Quick pump. We need a quick pump. All right, we need a quick pump. Let's see. Come on, 5 second time frame. Honestly, the 5 second time frame, we got this going on, the curvature, the 1 minute. Come on, 1 minute. 1 minute not looking the best. It's the money flow that's giving me hope here. Money flow that's giving me hope here. All right. The pre-workout's hitting hard. Man, I'm on no pre-workout today. All right. We're just on pure emotion. Emotions USDT pair is what we're trading. Emotions against the dollar is what we're trading here. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Now again, look, if we lose this golden pocket, we're probably coming down to 62.4. And if we lose 62.4, I'd say we're coming down to 61.666. We're coming down to 61.666. Exactly 61.666. We'll put it on the chart. 61.666. Why 666, you ask? It's because Bitcoin is the mark of the beast, guys. $61,666. Key level. Bitcoin loves those 666s. Remember when Bitcoin was at $16,666? Remember when it was at $66,666? Go back and look at what happened at those prices, guys. Something fishy. All right, we're losing the golden pocket right now. Whew. Okay. All right, we're losing it, guys. We're losing it. We're losing it. We're losing it. All right, let's see. Let's see. We're going to come down, hit our target, 61,666. We're going to go ahead and put this on the chart here. 61,666. This is going to be our target right here, y'all. This is going to be our target. It's going to be our target, baby. All right. I think we can do it. And from this area, guys, we either get a bounce from here, or we just continue down. Okay, man, this is crazy. I have to be honest with you. I don't like the fact that New York pumped us up to the macro value area 0.0C. What am I talking about? I'm just putting words together. My teleprompter broke. I'm just putting words together randomly until it comes back on. It's just not a good look to me that just this series of events, guys. All right, let's go. Let's just remember the series of events here. All right, Bitcoin rejected from 66K, which was a key area of resistance. We came down, we changed market structure. We come up, we make so far a lower high after making a lower low. This is the daily time frame. So we were in an uptrend, right? Our low, our high, our high, our low, our high, our high. We make a lower low. We make a lower high. Hidden bearish divergences here. Major resistance here. Oh man. Oh man. Could this be the beginning of a head and shoulders pattern? I know we have the introverted head and shoulders down here, but, and look at this, guys. That would take us back down to key support at the bottom of the range, where we have ourselves the macro golden pocket and the value area low. So I'm just saying, like, we got to be cautious. All right? We got to be cautious here. Don't be risking too much moolah. Don't be risking too much moolah. All right? Oh, my goodness. Oh! Oh! We're dumping! All right. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to keep the long open, baby, because I'm not wrong until we come down below this low. Plus, as we know, we've already locked in $6 grand on this trade. So, you know, worst case scenario, we make $6 grand on the trade, and we're short, baby. And we can always look for another long, right? We're short. We're up so far $7 grand on the short. So, here we go. Here we go. What's going to happen? Let's check out that OF again. OF! Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. This is how they say in Hebrew, lo tov, because look, we have 12 million longs right now under the water. We're coming to the VWAP. We have almost 20 million longs under the water. We're losing the VWAP. Ah! We're losing the point of control. Oh, my goodness. Bitcoin is taking a dump. We shouldn't have trusted New York. We knew it. They made a rash decision in the morning before they had carbohydrates and caffeine flowing through their blood system. They weren't really bullish. It was just too early to deal with it. They had to come up with a quick solution. They're woken up by the kids fighting over some stupid toy. They come up with some quick solution. All right, both of you go to your rooms and leave me alone. But then they have some time to think about it. They drink some coffee, and then they come out and they say, you know what? This toy is causing too much trouble. We're going to have to throw it away if you guys can't get along. And so they take it and they dump it down into the garbage. All right? That'll show those kids not to wake me up early fighting over a toy. We'll come right down to our target at $61,666. Oh, man. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Bitcoin. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Well, are we lagging? Damn. Let's clean up this chart as well. All right, let's check out the CME gaps here. Have we got any CME gaps? I don't see a gap, honestly. Are you talking about this? I mean, oh, I see. I guess I see what you're talking about. We have a little gap right down here. We have a little bit of a CME gap right down here. Let's pull the volume of this. Let's take a look at the CME futures chart. Okay, so we do have a CME gap right around that macro golden pocket value area low. Interesting. Okay, it is interesting. Man, the CME chart, this does not look very good on the CME chart, does it, guys? Look at this. I mean, this does not look good, having launched this low and now rejecting from here. With the bear div and now another trigger wave. Oof, man. Bitcoin always messing with my heart. Bitcoin is messing with my heart. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. What's it going to be? What's the market maker going to do? Make your move. Make your move. All right, make your move, Bitcoin. We're getting a little bit of a bounce. Am I short on the market? Yes, I'm short on the market. All right, from the short setup we gave yesterday in the Casper Crew New York Open VIP live stream. From the trade setup that I let everyone know I'm opening up a short at 10:27 in the morning yesterday. From that short, still open right now. All right. We still got the trade open now. I'm short on the market. All right, this is a serious time, guys. It's time to get real serious. It's time to get very serious. Because, again, this is the VWAP we're trying to hold in.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright. I said, yeah, alright. I said, yeah, now sit back. Cause things are getting so serious. The Bitcoin price, no, it got me so delirious. Cause we're coming right down to the VWAP. Bitcoin price thumping and she just won't stop. So we come to the order flow. Take a look at OI, what do you know? We got 20 million longs opening up. Then we pump straight into the cup. But then we got some shorts coming in. The Bitcoin dumps looking like she wants to spin back down to the VWAP. And you know we got the strap. Took it at the DPOC like a map. And if we can't hold here, then sit back and let me just spit it in your ear. We're gonna come back down to the place that's so dear to the people who longed on the weekend, you hear? Talking about the Target. Bitcoin price, man, acting so gay. Cause when I took a long at the exact top, then we turned around and the price just dropped. Oh no, but we gave the short setup in advance. The Bitcoin price got me tingly in the pants. Cause we told everybody when we opened up the short. Hopefully you didn't long, you didn't get hooked. Then we hit a TP1 right at the GP. Bitcoin price looking sweet between you and me. Oh no, let's come back to the chart. Rejecting from 61.3 like a work of art. Candles were blue, now they're turning purple. Got me so dang delirious. I'm spinning in circles as the price is so nerdy. Just like Steve Urkel. Got the gas in my belly and it makes me wanna burp, yo. Now I'm burping again. Bitcoin hanging out with all her good friends. We got the long open from the bottom. Then we pop up to the resistance. Can you spot them? But when we come back to the chart, to the BTC USD like a work of art, we pull the fixed range, making that change from February to our present day. And we see we got the POC 63 150. We tried to break out, but we came back down. And then this morning get a rejection. Hear the sound of the price coming down. I was smiling, but now I like to frown, because I'm so scared that the Bitcoin's gonna dump. All I wanted was for the price to pump, but it's okay, cause we come to the charts every single day, long in and short in, just to get paid. If you aren't prepared with the levels in advance, you won't be scared, you won't poop your pants. But even if you do, it's okay, we got the pens. Bitcoin hanging out with all her good friends, adult diapers and the Pikachu hats make the ladies go crazy. What you think about that? Shout out to my girl 6 Juanita. Hey girl, it's so nice to meet you, but I don't have the balls to even ask you out. I was too scared and I said I'm out. Last time though she gave a rejection. The Bitcoin price switched the direction. It caused me to sit back and think introspection. Then we dumped like an inverse erection. Coming back to good old BLOFIN. The Bitcoin price looks like she wants to spin. Yeah, we're coming down. Yeah, can you hear the sound? All right. The Oh Na 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 song. I don't know. I'm not feeling it today, guys. I'm not feeling the Oh Na 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 song today. Shout out to New Game. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who trusts in him. Amen. Amen. Shout out to Crypto Coons. The VWAP kind of strong. Music louder than the voice. Sorry, I'm not a good DJ, man. I'm not a good DJ. All right, well, here we go, baby. You know how the Bitcoin goes. Shout out to Jagdish OP. He's been at it 15 days and is up 65% trading. My man, the new trader, coming on in. And he's already up 65%. That's what's up. That is really what's up, man. Congratulations. God bless you. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Do we want... People want to give away. Well, I don't know. Should we do a giveaway? We did. We had multiple criterias. A chance to do a giveaway. Let's push the pocket a little bit. We got 1,800 people in here. If we can get 1,500 likes in the next 5 minutes, we'll give away $500. All right, I'll set another timer. 1,500 likes. We just need 400. We need 59 likes. 459 likes. We got 1,900 people watching. About half the people liked. All right, we got 5 minutes, and then we'll do a $500 giveaway. All right, we'll do a $500 giveaway. But you guys got to like the stream. Yeah, shout out to Emmanuel26. High time frame looks like it's going to give us a long. Yeah, I agree, but I don't like how this is playing out right now, right? So if these 2 week and stuff is going to give us a long, let's make sure that we are watching this daily candle here, guys, because early at daily open, if price comes below 61.9, we're going to have a red dot here, and if that red dot confirms, that could push us down for the rest of the week, and we could very easily see us come below 59 before the bounce, at least below 59, maybe even lower. All right, so please, you know, the lower time frames, we got to take the lower time frames in the context of also the higher time. So the higher time frames are still bullish, but these lower time frames in conjunction with the price action right now are making me just cautious. All right, I say that because people long without stop losses and stuff, just be cautious. All right, please, guys, don't lose money unnecessarily here. All right, don't lose money unnecessarily. All right, we're coming down to our target here, our target, hey, our target, hey. This chat is crazy loco. Yeah, this chat is crazy loco because people keep spamming, man. All right, where the likes are pumping. Let's get the likes up. All right, let's get the likes up. The daily looks tilty. The daily looks confused, right? We got that green dot, but now we're rejecting. And again, if we come below 61.8, the red dot will be printing. All right, red dot will be printing. All right, so we'll close a little 61.666. Can I do this? Hang on, I got to do it from my phone. There we go. We're gonna hit a take profit at 61,666. Maybe the hurricane will black swan. Who knows, man? Black swans are not usually predictable. I never heard anyone say maybe this about a black swan. But let's see. I've never been a YouTuber during a black swan either, so I never had 2,000 people in a chat telling me their thoughts. We're macro bullish, says Patriot Canum. I'm thinking big money wants a better entry. Yeah, maybe. Faux show. All right, shout out to Jagadish OP. Shout out to Arpan Das. Love and bless from India. May Jesus bless you. Shout out to Felipe Colin. Looks dumpy. Shout out to Lucky Jim Bob. He says, we're dumping, baby. We're dumping. We're getting a little bit of a dump. We're getting a tad bit of a dump. Oh, man. Yeah, let's go back to the chart. Let's pull some fibs. We'll go to the 6 minute. All right, let's see. Oh, the 6 minute looks pretty dumpy, man. New York gave us the old 1-2 punch. We'll pull our range again. Oof. We're losing value area low. Let's pull the fib. All right, we're really losing it, guys. Again. Now the 786 must hold. If she don't hold, guys, we're coming down. We're coming down. All right, she needs to hold. See if we can't hit our target, baby. Dang, we didn't hit our likes. All right, we'll do a giveaway another day. All right, we'll have another chance. I promise. We do it every day, but you guys got to get the likes. Get the likes. All right. Bitcoin dumping. All right, shout out to our super chats in the house. We got 3. First of all, shout out to Vincent Ingracia. Come on, Bitcoin, let's go. Thank you so much for the super chat, my man. God bless you. Thank you so much. Shout out to Brock Landers. Says, hey, Jay, don't you think the market Cipher B 3-day, 4-day, and 5-day look kind of bearish? Well, let's check it out. 3-day, 3-day, 4-day, and 5-day. No, I actually think they look kind of bullish, actually. I think they're definitely, we could interpret these as bullish, for sure. Especially if we start to now come back up and this money flow is just brushing into the 0 line like this. A lot of times we see money flow do stuff like that, right? The 2-week looks pretty nice, but you could interpret it bearishly. But all time frames together, I think they look bullish. All right. Shout out to JGD. He says, faith is victory. I know you aren't an EMA guy, but tons of big charts with a 10-21 daily squeeze. Interesting, bro. Interesting. Thank you so much for the super chat. May God bless you. All right, we're losing that 786, guys. We're losing that 786. Let's see what happens as we come down to this area. Because chance we get a how you say in English, chance you get a bounce from here, okay? Chance you do, but I say bigger chance you come and take the how you say the other stop loss traders from down here, okay? Let's see. Let's see what happens. We come down there, or maybe bounce from here. We will see how let's see how she wants to do. All right. Shout out to Preparing for War, counting on the 1-2 punch. Shout out to gym addiction. I'm also addicted to the gym. God bless you. God bless you, gym addiction. Should you continue your long? I mean, I'm still holding mine. It's not over until the fat lady sings, my friend. You really never train legs? Heck no, man. I don't even... Nope, no way. Nope. I thought squat racks are only for curling. And even on the leg press machine. Do you know what I do on the leg press machine? I get down on my knees and I push the sled up with my hands like this to work on the chest and the front delt. Even on the leg extension machine. Do you know what I do on the leg extension machine? I kneel on my knees and I curl the pad like this. I don't work my quads. I only work the bicep. I don't even ever work the triceps. I only work the biceps. Because there's only two things that count in life. Chest and biceps. Everything else is just a detail. Everything else in life. You know? I don't care about anything else besides chest and biceps. Alright, Crypto Mall says we go to 57 to 54, then all-time high before Christmas. Alts get cooked one last time before alt season. Nice prediction. That would be cool. That would be cool. Alright, Divine Hood says we rejected from the 0.5. It could have been a B correction wave before going down to 61.6 for the C wave. Yeah, let's see what happens. We're looking for that. 61.900 is max liquidations? Oh yeah, I would really want to take that low. Hit our target at 61.666. 15-minute looks good on market Cipher. Are we shorting calves? Yeah, for sure. All right. Shout out to Samuel Manuel. God bless you. Shout out to Meta Les. I'm shouting you out, my bro. I'm shouting you out. 54K, we go. All right. Let's see how she goes, guys. All right. Well, guys, I'm gonna head out. It's been a great stream. God bless you all. Thank you so much for being here. May the Lord bless you all in Jesus' name, even if you're not religious. I will be back tomorrow. But Bitcoin now is not doing anything crazy, so I have to end the stream before something crazy happens. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate and love each and every one of you. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.